Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down 5 of the best affordable automatic watches that deliver exceptional quality, craftsmanship, and style without breaking the bank. From Swiss precision to Japanese engineering excellence, these timepieces prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to wear something truly special on your wrist. Whether you're a seasoned collector or buying your very first mechanical watch, these picks offer incredible value and heritage that will stand the test of time. Let's get started. Number 5. Seiko 5 Sports SRPD FAPI1. The Seiko 5 Sports SRPD FAPI1 is perhaps the most famous entry point in all of mechanical watchmaking, and for very good reason. For decades, the Seiko 5 has been the watch that introduces curious beginners to the world of automatic movements, and the modern sports relaunch took everything that made the original great and brought it squarely into the 21st century. The SRPD 51 specifically is the one that gets everyone talking, a bold, sporty design with a blue dial and stainless steel bracelet that draws inevitable comparisons to watches costing 5 or 10 times as much. The caliber 4R36 inside offers manual winding and hacking, features rarely found at this price, along with a day-date complication and a 41-hour power reserve. 100 meters of water resistance, a solid screw-down caseback, and a comfortable, well-finished bracelet round out a package that genuinely has no right to exist at this price point. If you are new to mechanical watches and want to know where to start, the answer has been the Seiko 5 Sports for a very long time, and the SRPD 51 is one of the very best reasons why. The Seiko 5 Sports SRPD 51 retails for approximately $250 $300 USD. Number 4. Orient Mako 3. The Orient Mako 3 is a dive watch that has quietly built one of the most loyal followings in the entire affordable watch community, and once you spend a few minutes with one on your wrist, you completely understand why. Orient has refined the Mako over 3 generations now, and the 3rd iteration is the most accomplished yet. The 200-meter water resistance, the unidirectional bezel, the bold applied indices, and the sweeping automatic movement are all exactly what you'd expect from a serious tool watch, but what surprises people is just how polished the overall package feels. The case finishing balances brushed and polished surfaces with real care, the bracelet sits comfortably on the wrist, and the dial legibility in any light condition is excellent thanks to generous lume application on the hands and indices. Powering everything is Orient's in-house caliber F6922, which includes a hacking seconds and manual winding capability, remarkable features for a movement at this price. The Mako 3 doesn't try to be anything other than what it is, an honest, capable, beautifully made dive watch that over-delivers at every turn. The Orient Mako 3 retails for approximately $200 $250 USD. Number 3. Casio Edifice EFR 571. The Casio Edifice EFR 571 is the watch that consistently surprises people who think they already know what a Casio looks like. This is not your classroom G-Shock. This is a sophisticated, multi-function chronograph that brings serious design ambition and impressive technical credentials to a price bracket where both are rarely found together. The racing-inspired dial layout, the pushers, the tachymeter scale, and the layered construction give the EFR 571 an undeniable presence on the wrist that reads as far more expensive than it is. Beneath that striking exterior sits Casio's reliable quartz chronograph movement with 1/22nd measurement, multiple time zones, and a build quality that you simply cannot argue with. Casio's reputation for durability and precision is among the most well-earned in the entire watch industry. 100 meters of water resistance and a robust stainless steel case mean this watch is ready for whatever your day throws at it. Whether you're wearing it to a track day, the office, or a casual weekend, the EFR 571 carries itself with a confident, energetic personality that makes it an absolute joy to own. The Casio Edifice EFR 571 retails for approximately $120 $180 USD. Number 2. Citizen Tsuyosa Automatic. The Citizen Tsuyosa Automatic is one of the most exciting releases to come out of Citizen's mechanical program in years, a watch that announces itself with bold confidence and backs that confidence up with genuine substance. Tsuyosa means strength in Japanese, and from the moment you pick this watch up, you understand exactly why Citizen chose that name. The solid, substantial case, The vivid sunburst dial colors, available in a range of striking options including electric blue, rich green, and classic silver, and the polished and brushed bracelet all combine to create a watch that looks genuinely premium at a price that seems almost implausibly low. Inside beats the Miyota-based NH35 equivalent movement, delivering smooth automatic timekeeping with a 42-hour power reserve and a satisfying sweeping seconds hand. The exhibition case back lets you watch the rotor spin, always a small but deeply satisfying touch on an entry-level automatic. Sapphire crystal on select variants adds another layer of credibility to an already impressive package. The Citizen Tsuyosa is the kind of watch that makes experienced collectors do a double-take when they learn the price. The Citizen Tsuyosa automatic retails for approximately $175 to $250 USD. Number 1. Tissot. Everytime Swissmatic. The Tissot. Everytime Swissmatic claims the top spot today, and when you consider everything this watch brings to the table, it's a position that's very hard to argue with. Here is a Swiss-made automatic watch, with all the heritage, quality standards, and manufacturing precision that designation carries, offered at a price that makes virtually every other Swiss manufacturer blush. The Everytime Swissmatic is exactly what its name promises, a watch for every occasion, every outfit, and every chapter of life. The slim, clean case and minimalist dial design are timeless in the truest sense. There is nothing here that dates it, nothing that will feel out of place in 5 years or 15. Powering it is the ETA Swissmatic movement, a self-winding caliber with a notably smooth rotor and a 72-hour power reserve that keeps it running well through a long weekend off the wrist. The sapphire crystal, the quality of the case finishing, and the supple leather strap options all speak to Tissot's century-plus of Swiss watchmaking experience. This is the watch you put on in the morning and forget about. Not because it fails to impress, but because it fits so naturally and wears so effortlessly that it simply becomes part of you. At its price, the Tissot Everytime Swissmatic is not just a great watch, it is one of the great bargains in all of Swiss watchmaking. The Tissot Everytime Swissmatic retails for approximately $375 to $425 USD.